Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty shall I give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting pattern. Different ideas. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas. Some are crochet steppy style, wooden handle, metal handle, leather steppy style, pocket style, lock-up style. Some are simple and some are beautiful, fancy ideas. And you can carry this handbag with matching your dresses in any party. Very nice. Very nice, beautiful ideas, most demanding collection and daily use collection for beautiful ladies, modern girls. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. And please go to me in comment section. You can see almost 40 plus images. If you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Okay viewers.
Bye.